In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Monday.com, a powerful feature that can significantly enhance your project management experience by helping you organize and filter your tasks effectively. First, we'll begin by adding a tags column to your Monday.com board. Open your board and look for the plus add column button, which is generally located at the right end of any existing columns on your board. Click on it and you'll see a variety of column options. Among those options, select Tags. With your Tags column now added, you can proceed to name it based on your needs. For instance, you might choose names like Priority, Category, or Project Type, depending on what you aim to categorize or highlight with these tags. Now that you have your Tags column in place, it's time to add tags to the individual items within your board. Locate the tags field within a row and click it. In the field that appears, you can type a new tag or select from the list of existing tags already available in your system. An advantageous feature of using tags is that you can assign multiple tags to a single item. This option allows you to categorize a task or item under several different criteria, providing better flexibility and context in your project management. Taking your tags to the next level involves customizing them for easier visual identification. You can assign specific colors to each tag, making it faster to recognize and differentiate between them. Furthermore, it's good practice to standardize tag names across your board. This consistency helps in keeping your workspace organized and prevents the confusion that duplicate or similar sounding tags might cause. Once you have your tags set up, you can use them to filter your board's view. Start by clicking the filter button found at the top of your board. In the menu that appears, choose Tags. You can then select one or more tags to filter items based on your chosen criteria. This feature is particularly useful for swiftly locating items related to a particular priority, department, or project type. Moreover, tags can be integrated into automations within Monday.com to streamline your workflow. For instance, you can set up an automation to notify a team member whenever a specific tag is added to an item. Alternatively, you could move an item to a designated group when it acquires a particular tag, or even change its status automatically based on the tag assigned. In implementing tags, consider these best practices to maintain an organized and efficient system. Keep your tag system consistent, using specific terms like high priority instead of more general terms like high. Limit the number of tags you use to prevent cluttering up your board, and remember that tags should serve as quick categorization tools, not as substitutes for other columns like status or people. By integrating these steps and tips into your use of Monday.com, you'll be well on your way to utilizing tags effectively, making your project management processes more intuitive and organized. Happy